Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. I am here to give you the lecture of English for the class 6 Oxford Progressive English 6. Today is our revision lecture and the units 6, 7 and 9 are included in your syllabus. Grammar portion, lesson number 11, 12 and 13 are included. So we will revise all. Here is your syllabus and date sheet for the December assessment 2020. Lion and Tigers, unit number 6, from page 122 to 128. Unit number 7, Searching. Unit number 8, Advance in Technology. Unit number 9, Sports. Now grammar portion, lesson number 11, Adverbs. Lesson number 2, Determiners. Lesson number 3, Sentences. Application writing, application for a sick leave. So we will revise all the important questions from chapter Searching, Reading for Understanding. When Fu saw all the peoples walking in one direction, what did he decide to do? Why did Fu not mind that there were no street lights? Number 3. What was in the yards of the brick houses? What were the khayals, the houses of the poor people, made of? Why did Fu decide to speak to the old woman? Why did Fu learn from the people in the water tube? इन सब क्वेश्चन के आंसर्स आपकी नोटबुक पर ऑलरेडी प्रोवाइडेड हैं. Another exercise questions are: Who does the writer praise for the construction of the KKH? How does the building of the KKH contributes to the national development of Pakistan? Which words and praise does the writer use to show that building the roads was extremely difficult? Which word suggests that the writer wants to praise the triumph of building of the KKH? Now, another question answers are: Why was 15 September 1830 a special day in railway history? Why did the builders of the locomotive not think about providing braking systems? How did the locomotive drivers normally stop his machine? The opening of the railway was a gala occasion. Using the context, what do you think this phrase means? Why was Million Hawkinson was at the opening celebrations? Why was he not in perfect health? If the locomotive, the rocket, had been fitted with a whistle, how could the accident have been avoided? Your question number 8 is: Why do you think William Hawkinson did not get out of the way at the Duke of the Wellington done? Why was William Hawkinson's death significant? In what way was the accident the warning to the government? Another questions, important questions are here. According to the poem, what does the African lion enjoy eating? What does the lion do when he takes a bite out of a good boy? What is the worst injury that a good boy will sustain from the lion? If the good boy sustain his worst injury, what he will be any better off than the bad boy? Give your reason. How do you think the poet wanted his reader to react to this poem? Which part of the poem tells us that the poet was not writing a serious poem? How did you react to the poem? Why did Khamir thinks he should have a larger share of the land? Describe the character qualities of Khamir and Khuru. Why did Khuru try to make Khamir share the land out more fairly? Explain how Khamir used his son in his plan to deceive Khuru. How was Khamir punished for his action? इसके बाद आपके पास आ जाते हैं वर्ड मीनिंग्स एंड वर्ड सेंटेंसेस, जो कि आपके बुक्स के और कॉपीज़ के ऊपर दोनों पे मेंशन्ड हैं. सो रिवाइज इट केयरफुली। एप्लीकेशंस आपकी सिलेबस में मौजूद हैं। एप्लीकेशन फॉर द सिक लीव, एप्लीकेशन फॉर द फी कंसेशन। नाउ द लास्ट टर्म इज़ लेटर राइटिंग, एंड आपकी टीचर्स ने आपको लेटर्स लिखना सिखाए होंगे, तो उसमें जो लेटर्स आप लोगों को प्रोवाइडेड हैं आप उसको प्रिपेयर करें, उसको याद करें, और बेस्ट ऑफ लक द स्टूडेंट्स। अच्छे अच्छे से पेपर की तैयारी करें और अच्छे अच्छे से पेपर हमें दें। ओके स्टूडेंट्स, विश यू बेस्ट ऑफ लक। अल्लाह हाफिज़, थैंक यू।